how to turn off profile views on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn off profile view history on TikTok. So no one can see when you have viewed their profile or you can't see who have viewed yours. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the TikTok app on your phone and make sure that you are logged into your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, simply tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in the profile section, simply tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And once you tap on it, a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, simply tap on settings and privacy. And now here, once you're inside the settings and privacy, at the top you can see the option labeled as privacy. So simply tap on that. And now here, under the privacy section, if you scroll down there, you can see the option labeled as viewers. So simply tap on that. And now here, inside the viewers, you can see the option labeled as viewer history. So here, to turn it off, just toggle off the option and that's it. That's how you can turn off viewer history on TikTok. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.